Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to have you back. So in today's video I'm just going to show you how I make my sweet potato porridge. Sometimes I call this recipe jollof potato, but you can call it whatever you like, but I'm just going to show you how I make my sweet potato porridge. It's really going to be delicious. So in this pot I've got my sweet potato which are nicely peeled and diced. So you make sure you cut your sweet potato into your preferred sizes. This is the way I love them. And I also have here some blended pepper and tomato mix. I combined scotch bonnet and some bell peppers and tomatoes together to blend. Then I also have here boiled mackerel. I use mackerel, you can use any type of fish. I also have here some chopped onions, blended crayfish, turmeric powder, and some dried thyme. And I also have here some ginger and some seasoning cubes. Then finally I have here some spring onions. You can use whatever ingredients you want to use for this recipe, so I'm just going to go with this. So into the pot you bring your sweet potato after peeling it, and also you've rinsed it, so you bring it into the pot. So you add some water to slightly cover the potato, and then you're going to add a little salt just to make it tasty. Then you place the content on heat to cook. So I'm just going to place the lid over the potato. This might take about 10 to 15 minutes for the potato to get soft. So while you're waiting for the potato, you can use a fork to shred the fish after taking out the bone. Then grate your ginger and also chop the spring onions and keep aside. You'll be needing this later. You can also check the description box for the amount of ingredients I used for this recipe. So after 15 minutes, just use a fork to pierce through the potatoes. Once they are soft, you can drain out the liquid, then set this aside. So another thing you just want to do is to heat up a pan, then add some cooking oil. I'm using peanut oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil. So I'm going to be adding in some chopped onions and also the grated ginger. You can also add garlic if you want that. And after adding this, just wait a little bit. Leave this to fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. So I'm going to add in the blended tomato and pepper. So we are just going to make a little sauce to cook the potato. So I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to season this with some ground crayfish, turmeric powder, some dried thyme, just a little. You can add as much as you want. Then I'm going to also season this with 2 stock cubes. So I'm just going to add in a little fish stock, not really much. Then I'm going to stir this, then cook this for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, just add a little salt to this, then test for pepper. If you need more, you can add a little cayenne pepper into it. Now you're going to bring in the boiled potato. So I think I will just use my hand to drop them gently into this sauce. Adding this, just give it a little stir. Then bring in the shredded fish into it as well. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Then you also need to stir this. This potato porridge is really rich. The sauce is rich and delicious. So after you've stirred this, you are going to bring in the spring onions. This is optional. I love some veggies in my porridge, so I just want to add it into this. So you make sure you stir everything to combine. Then you leave this to cook for 5 minutes and your sweet potato porridge is ready. So guys, this was my simple way of preparing some sweet potato porridge. This looks so delicious. I hope you try this out. This is so simple to prepare. You can fix this for breakfast, for dinner, or for lunch. Thank you for watching. If you love my video, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share this with your friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.